Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. You must be signed into an administrator account and have a recent full backup because turning off Bitlocker decrypts the drive. Once ready, check TPM with TPM. MSC so you know whether Bitlocker used hardware keys. That affects recovery options. Then open Settings or Control Panel and navigate to Bitlocker Drive Encryption. Make sure the encrypted volume is the one you want to decrypt, and keep your recovery key accessible before proceeding. You now perform the decryption. In the Bitlocker panel, select the drive and choose Turn off Bitlocker. This initiates decryption rather than key removal. When prompted, enter the recovery key or approve as an administrator so Windows can re-encrypt or remove the key. Make sure your Asus laptop stays plugged in and do not interrupt the process. Decryption shows progress in % and can take hours on large SSDs or HDDs. Once done, Windows will remove volume encryption and restore normal access. Once decryption completes, confirm the drive indicates Bitlocker off and that files open normally. You should also remove saved recovery keys from your Microsoft account if you no longer need them. If decryption stalls or fails, make sure the laptop is on AC power and run a disk check for errors because bad sectors can halt the process. If you still have issues, use the recovery key to unlock the drive, boot to safe mode or Windows recovery environment, and consult the Bitlocker event logs to pinpoint the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.